learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everybody, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Sub-Siu, Joseph Lin on ICRT, and we're teaching you a Hakka phrase this month that is very practical. It's called annoying or so annoying. 好烦哦！
头脑很痛哦。
头脑很痛哦。OK， 很多时候会很烦。你怕人多吗 ，Alice？
会啊，人多的时候就好吵
对，捷运里面的人很多，有时候真的好烦，因为好挤哦哈。好，我们要教捷运里人也太多了吧？
插晕地 boy，
插晕地 boy，
人太多的啦，
人太多的啦。OK，
插晕地 boy， 人太多的啦。
OK， 我们从后面教人太多的啦，就是人太多了啦。其实就是这样子嘛，对不对？
人太多的啦。
That means so many people here. 捷运叫做
插晕。
插晕。OK, that's your MRT or subway. 所以呢，就好烦哦，快被挤死了哈。So annoying. I feel so crushed right now, right?
頭腦很痛哦。
頭腦很痛哦。
強強 boy，
強強 boy，
暫時退氣。
暫時退氣。
強強 boy， 暫時退氣。
哦，強強就是快要被。
對，會被擠死了。
暫時退 that means so crowded, so packed. I feel so crushed right now. 就被擠死了那種感覺了哈。Okay, and then your partner, whoever's traveling with you, might just relax you a little bit, saying, "Come on, be patient." That's how it is during rush hour, right? 忍耐一下，下班時間就是這樣啦。
忍耐一下。
忍耐一下。
下班時間。
下班時間。
就是按鈕啊。
就是按鈕啊。OK， 就是按鈕啊，就是這樣啊。就是按鈕啊。OK, that means that's how it is. 然後下班時間 off work hours 下班時間。
下班時間。
然後很有用的一句話叫忍耐，要忍耐，要忍耐。OK, patience。
然後忍耐，而且一下下就好了。
對，這就很容易忍嘛，對不對？好。
忍耐一下。
忍耐一下。OK, 忍耐 means patience. 一下 means just a little bit patience and everything will be over. All right, let's review some of these phrases like the MRT or subway 捷運
插暈
插暈 and then 忍耐嘛哈 patience 怎麼說
忍耐
忍耐 OK 那如果一下就是一下
忍耐一下
忍耐一下 that means just a little patience. All right, it's all about the phrase 好煩哦 so annoyed 怎麼說呢
頭腦很痛哦
頭腦很痛哦那忍耐一下就好了好不好That's today's Practical Hakka
是麼大家
按子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.